Hey guys, today we're going to make a quick Vendor Central video as per several requests that we have for some more Vendor Central content. And one of the topics that we get asked about regularly are shortages and how to get paid from Amazon and invoices that may be late pays or lack of paid, or for example, there's no dispute but there is a shortage. And the trick here is to fill out your own statement of opened items for Amazon. So I've made this little Excel file here with some just vital information on it. Your purchase order, and we'll move this up, your purchase order number, your invoice number, routing request, ship date, invoice now, the invoice, the amount total, and what's owed to you, and the difference. So you're going to want to prepare this file with all that pertinent information. If there's multiple POs, add new lines, what have you. It's very simple. And once you've completed this, you are going to go and into your case creation. You're then going to go to payments, and you're going to select statement of open item submission. So from here, you're going to fill out a basic form. It's going to ask for the title of your inquiry, which is going to be, statement of open items, and the date, your phone number, your contact name, and then a brief description in paragraph form just saying, there's a bunch of invoices here that haven't been paid, they're late, or they're only partial paid, and we need a reconciliation. And this will toggle action from the Amazon AP team to get in touch with you. You won't be able to reach them by phone. It's never going to be by phone. It's all going to be by email and through the cases. But this is the way we are going to reconcile your accounting with Amazon in a very quick and efficient way. If you have any other questions about this, let me know. Hopefully this video helps. Please follow the channel, leave any feedback below. Thank you.